Hi, hello viewers, welcome back with an interesting video. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful metal hanging lights. I bought this from online. If anyone are interested, go through the link mentioned in description. Before showing you the item, let's unbox the seems to be safe packing. Wow, beautiful lights, right? These are metal LED hanging lights. You can decor wherever you want. You can decor on plants, you can decor in the hall, anywhere you can decor. Now let's check how it is working. Yes, all lights are working. If you get any damaged item, you can return or exchange. They are really very beautiful. It is 3 meter long and it has 16 LED lights. These lights can be used for any festival like Diwali, Christmas, and also for birthday parties and small functions too. I'm sure that they give extraordinary look. It is a strong metal for a reasonable price. Not only this design, there are many other designs too. You can go through it. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.